Alright, so what am I going to be doing on stream? Basically, like for the last year, I've been working with a process to create neural networks based in a framework called StyleGAN. And what these StyleGAN models do is create artificial images that stylistically look like your training set. So the problem with this whole process, right, is you need a ton of VRAM. Many tens of gigabytes of VRAM to be able to train these networks. So to do that at home, what I've done is built this behemoth server, right, and put one of these K80s in it, which is like an industrial compute graphics card. It has 24 gigabytes of VRAM on board, and there's 2 logical graphics cards on the package, or on the on the physical unit. So they're great for this kind of thing. They're great for just like doing compute like this. Problem is they're industrial, right? So they don't have GPU coolers like your gaming graphics card might. So typically in an industrial setup, there'll be like air-conditioned air that'll be passed over the cards. But for this, we had to design a cooler, right? So here's the existing cooler. I don't know how well you can see that. It's loud, it's made out of 3D printer blower fans, and it needs a redesign. Particularly it needs a redesign because I'm adding a second K80. This is on top of the shelf, let me get down. Alright, so I got a second K80 to speed stuff up. So what I want to do is, and this right now with the existing design wouldn't fit in the case, right? So what I'm going to do is design a new cooler around these 40mm fans, and then those fans are going to get driven by a Raspberry Pi Pico that's going to be attached there. I'm going to add temperature sensors, etc. And these are the candidate fans. This one is quiet but slow. This one is medium loudness but kind of fast, and this one's very loud but moves a ton of air. So, I'm gonna experiment with those 3, see which configuration of the 3 I want to go with, and then design something around those. And the idea is I'm gonna do this all like a hackathon. So, speed is the operative thing to optimize for. So it's gonna be a fun mix of hardware, software, programming, etc. to get the show on the road. The idea is I want to have this card stood up and working by the end of the weekend. So yeah, follow along as I work through this project. Thanks.